Hey Pyros, 5150 Pyrotechnics here. All right, I got these Ultimate Force canister shells. They're 4-inch shells from Miracle Fireworks, and I got these at Schneider Fireworks Wholesale. And these are the 2018 versions. And I was kind of disappointed because it seemed like the 2019s were, I don't know, they just seemed like they had better color in the videos I watched. But actually, I've been actually pretty surprised by these. And so we're going to check them out tonight. There's no effects. It's just a surprise. But nice, pretty nice little 4-inch canister shell here that we have. And so I'll be demoing, this is part 1. So I'll be demoing the first 3 here. And then I will demo the second 3 in another video. So let's get to it. Here is shell number 1. There it goes. Wow. That is loud coming out of the tube. Nice strobe. Okay, shell 2. Wow, that was pretty. Okay, shell 3. That was gorgeous. Nice. Okay, part 2 coming at your way.